Okay, so I'm so excited about this because this is a book that I wanted for years and we finally finished it years later. The Amazing Action Alphabet Flip Chart did so well, but now you're ready for the next step, blending the two sounds together. So we've created the Amazing Action Alphabet Blend book. So these are all the blends. Look how cute. Okay, so here's the great visual. B and L get together. There's a blender. So in the story, it talks about how B and L are blending blueberries, bull, 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 in the blender. Or they're blending, they're adding blackberries to the blender, bull, bull, bull. And then at the end, here's the hands-on part. They're gonna read words in this word box that are only short vowel words that have the bull sound in them, like blab, black, bliss, blob, and even nonsense words, which creates a good reader. So I'll show you some more. C and L, there were clickety-clackety shoes going cool, 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 cool on the floor. Or PL, they're playing the plink plonk game. As the ball hits the hole, it goes pull, pull, pull. Or SL, they're slurping a slushy. Soul, soul, soul. And again, look at all these fun words that have the soul sound in them. It just creates a fantastic reader. Here's some R blends. BR, burr, burr, burr. You can see the brisk breeze. It says BR, enjoy the brisk breezy air. Burr, burr, burr. Or DR, this is my favorite. DR, there's the DRU's drills, Drew's drill. Dur, dur, dur. As they're using Drew's drill. FR, freeze from the frost. Fur, fur, fur. Oh, this is so cute too. This is another favorite. GR, growl like a grizzly. Grr, grr, grr. What's happening is they think that there's a growling grizzly nearby, and they realize it's just the two of them making that grr sound. TR, break Trevor's trumpet. Now the trumpet doesn't work. It says tur, tur, tur. It looks like it's someone's on the end. Okay. SK, they skim and skis. Sk, sk, sk. Look, that is so cute. Anyway, you will love, love, love this Blends book. So if you have passed off all your short vowel words like cat, bat, sad, or up, pup, I don't know, all those short constant vowel constant words, and you're ready for the next step, it's your Blend book. And just so you know, after this one comes the letter combination book. So look forward to that.